Most people think earning Hotel Diamond status requires dozens of expensive hotel stays every year. And normally that's true. But here's the surprising part. Wyndham Diamond status is actually one of the fastest top-tier hotel statuses to unlock in 2026, if you know the right shortcuts. And honestly, most travelers completely miss them. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to get Wyndham Diamond status, how the shortcuts work, which method is best for different types of travelers, and the mistake that causes people to waste huge amounts of time and money chasing elite status the hard way. And later, I'll show you the easiest strategy for getting diamond status without constantly staying in hotels. So let's get into it. First, let's answer the obvious question. What is Wyndham Diamond status? Diamond is Wyndham's top elite tier. It includes benefits like bonus point earnings on stays, preferred room upgrades when available, early check-in or late check-out at some locations, dedicated customer support, and other travel perks. Now, is it the same as ultra-luxury elite status at premium hotel chains? Not exactly. But for regular Wyndham travelers, the benefits can still be very useful, especially because Wyndham has a massive hotel footprint across budget and mid-range travel categories. Now, here's where most people fail. They assume the only way to get diamond status is through hotel stays. That's the slow method. And in many cases, it's not the smartest method either. The fastest shortcut for many people is actually through the Wyndham Earner Business Credit Card. This is the strategy that gets the most attention right now. Because instead of completing dozens of hotel nights manually, eligible cardholders can receive Wyndham Diamond status automatically. That's a massive shortcut. And honestly, this changes the entire game. Now, let's make this practical. Imagine Alex owns a small online business and occasionally travels for work. Instead of trying to stay enough nights to earn diamond organically, he applies for the Wyndham Business Card and gains access to diamond benefits much faster. That saves both time and money. And this is why so many experienced travel hackers focus on shortcuts instead of traditional qualification methods. But here's the problem. Many viewers assume business cards are only for large corporations. That's outdated thinking. Freelancers, content creators, rideshare drivers, consultants, resellers, and side hustle owners may potentially qualify for business credit products depending on their situation. This surprises a lot of people. Now in a minute, I'll show you why diamond status can become much more valuable than people initially expect. But first, let's discuss the traditional route too. Wyndham still allows travelers to earn diamond status through qualifying stays and nights. This works best for people already spending heavily within the Wyndham ecosystem. For example, someone traveling constantly for work may naturally qualify through regular hotel activity. But for average travelers, this route is usually slower and more expensive compared to shortcut methods. Now here's where it gets interesting. The real value of diamond status is not just the perks themselves. It's the accelerated rewards ecosystem. Diamond members earn bonus points on Wyndham stays. That means future free nights accumulate faster. And over time, those additional points create meaningful travel savings. This is something beginners often underestimate. Small earning bonuses compound surprisingly quickly, especially if you travel consistently. Now let's talk about room upgrades because this is another area people misunderstand. Diamond status does not guarantee luxury suites everywhere. That expectation leads to disappointment. Upgrades depend on hotel availability and property participation. But even moderate improvements like better room placement, preferred views, or larger rooms can improve travel experiences noticeably over time. And honestly, practical consistency matters more than flashy marketing promises. Now, here's the mistake most people make. They chase elite status emotionally instead of mathematically. This is critical. Never spend thousands of unnecessary dollars just to earn status perks worth far less. Always calculate the actual value. If shortcut methods exist, use them intelligently. And Wyndham is one of the few hotel ecosystems where shortcuts can be surprisingly accessible. Now let's discuss another strategy many advanced travelers use. Status matching. Sometimes Wyndham offers status match opportunities for travelers who already hold elite status with competing hotel programs. This means travelers with status elsewhere may potentially jump into Wyndham Elite tiers faster. However, these opportunities can change over time, so availability varies. But this is where experienced travelers pay attention. They look for leverage, not just spending. Now, here's where it gets interesting again. Wyndham Diamond status can become much more valuable for road travelers than occasional vacation travelers. Why? Because frequent domestic travel creates repeated opportunities to use the benefits. Bonus points. Priority treatment, non-CU, faster, free nights. Potential upgrades. The more often you interact with the ecosystem, the more value you extract. This is why travel behavior matters so much. Now let's talk about another hidden advantage. Diamond status can psychologically improve the travel experience. That may sound strange, but it's real. Travel feels smoother when you have elite support, faster check-ins, and stronger earning rates. Even smaller perks create convenience over time. And convenience has value, especially for frequent travelers. But here's the caution. Do not overvalue status. A lot of YouTube videos exaggerate elite benefits dramatically. The smartest travelers stay realistic. Diamond status is useful, but only when it aligns with your actual travel habits. Now let's revisit the fastest route again, because this is what most viewers searched for. For many people in 2026, the Wyndham Earner Business Card remains one of the quickest and easiest ways to unlock Wyndham Diamond status without grinding through hotel stays manually. That's the key takeaway. And this shortcut is especially attractive for small business owners, gig workers, road travelers, and people already spending heavily on gas and travel, because the ecosystem starts working together. Now here's another thing people overlook. Once you have Diamond status, the next step is maximizing it correctly. That means booking strategically, stacking promotions, using high-value redemptions, and earning efficiently through bonus categories. This is where experienced users separate themselves from casual users. Not by having status alone, but by optimizing the entire system. Now before we finish, let's answer the big question directly. Is Wyndham Diamond status worth chasing? For casual travelers who rarely stay at Wyndham hotels, probably not. But for frequent domestic travelers, road trip-focused travelers, and business card users already spending within the ecosystem, it can absolutely provide useful long-term value, especially when earned through shortcut methods instead of expensive hotel stays. So here's the bottom line. The fastest way to get Wyndham Diamond status in 2026 is often through the Wyndham Earner Business Card, rather than traditional hotel night qualification. That shortcut saves time, accelerates rewards, and gives travelers access to Wyndham's top-tier elite benefits much faster. And for the right type of traveler, that can create meaningful travel savings over time. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite hotel loyalty program right now. And if you want, I can also break down whether Wyndham Diamond status actually beats Hilton or Marriott Elite status for everyday travelers.